Hey guys, Pete and Gabby here, and today we are taking you to what we think is the best place to buy vinyl records in the Northeast.
The Record Riot. We'll put this down below too, but basically today we're at the Saratoga Springs record digging party.
So this is at the City Center in Saratoga Springs. They have them all around the Northeast. We went to one in Albany a couple weeks ago, and it's got a good mix of used records, new, old, all kinds of things.
Yeah, we'll insert a picture of this flyer here, so if you want to go. But definitely a lot of good finds.
Yeah.
A lot of, some dealers sell like overstock for really cheap, and like you said, some people sell like collectibles, so a whole mix.
And last time we went, we were just browsing, which was fun, but today we kind of have a specific mission. I'm looking for Pink Floyd, Animals. You are
Looking for Beach Boys.
Yep, and we are both looking for something from the Alabama Shakes. So let's head inside and see what it's like. So we're heading in. I was gonna say where is it, but just follow the music.
Yeah, and it's $3 for regular entry, $10 for early entry, which starts at 8 o'clock, I think.
Yep.
And regular entry starts at 10.
And the reason it's more is because you get the better deals and the better finds, things like that. So you do pay a little extra to get here early, but let's check it out. Got our stamp. Check it out here, give you an overview of where we're at. Tons of stuff, thousands of records throughout here. So each table is a different vendor, kind of different focuses and price levels. So we just like to walk around and see what there is to see. So something to keep in mind if you're here is sometimes you do have to wait in line. I'm kind of into that section right there, so definitely got to be a little patient sometimes. Well, I found what I was looking for, but it's one of the remastered ones. So I'm going to keep an eye on this and maybe try to find an older one. I'm going to try to find gaps. One of the things that's fun about this place is we have some that are more expensive, some are cheaper, and some are in between. And those are the toughest decisions to make, is how much you're willing to pay for certain things. I saw some good Floyd for about 20 bucks, but I'm gonna see what Gab has and see what our budget is. Okay, we've reconvened. So what did you got?
I went to the last Prestige one. I got all Beatles ones.
Okay, nice.
Beatles 65. A lot of their older stuff.
Yeah.
So.
And then we've been looking for this, so definitely Beatles Day today. I achieved my objective. Original Pink Floyd, Animals. So he actually had two, one for 15, one for 16, and he said the difference was just some cover issues, but he let me check out the record, make sure it was all good. And that's another thing that's good about this fair, is these people really care about what they are doing. So they will help you out, they will answer all of your questions, they will make sure that especially the older vinyls are in good condition and allow you to check them out. So I'm super stoked, and I gotta go show this to Gab. Gab. This is the one I wanted.
Nice.
Yeah. So, original copy.
See if we can find any.
Pro tip, always bring a bag with you. You never know what you're gonna buy. So another cool thing I just learned about is Commotion by the Ocean. So one of the vendors gave this to me. This is May 14th in Asbury Park, Jersey. And he said it's like thousands of people and there's bands playing outside. It's 10 bucks to get in. So if you're in the region, you're looking for a record fair, May 14th in Asbury Park. Definitely something to check out. Vendor was super nice, super friendly, and just another great part of being here. All right, I found the man behind the plan, Steve here. So Steve, you were on the show?
I do.
Yeah, do you want to just tell us about the show and the record fair and all that?
You know, my girlfriend lives in Montreal, and I was riding through Saratoga, and I thought, they need a record show. And then I realized, where would we have it? I saw that they have other events here at the City Center, so I came in and asked them, and they were very happy to accommodate us.
That's awesome. Yeah, and so you said you're the largest chain in the country of
We
record
are the
shows,
largest chain of record shows in the country. We have shows as far south as Newport News,
Oh, wow.
Virginia,
Yeah.
Worcester, Mass, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. One of our big shows is in Albany. That's 3 times a year. And then we're here twice a year in Saratoga.
That's awesome. And so what's the best part about this for you?
The best part is seeing the fathers and sons and mothers and daughters coming to the show, getting away from computers, and sort of bonding, buying with the vendors and talking with the vendors about music. It's just a very good community.
Well, that's awesome. Well, Steve, thanks so much.
No problem.
I appreciate it. Yes.
I'm on my way. told me to take a couple of these pills.
Ooh, we did it.
A lot of good fun.
Yeah, I got a bag full of stuff. We'll do a haul when we get home, but what did you think of the Record Riot?
I love them. It's a lot of fun digging through the records, and you can go back if you keep your stamp on.
Yep.
So you can go back inside. So if we wanted to go back, we wouldn't have to pay the entrance fee again.
Yeah, and it's just endless. There's so much stuff to look at, but we are going to walk around for a little bit and get a snack and a drink, and we will do our haul of what we got and wrap this up when we get home. Okay, we are back home from the fair. We figured we'd show you everything we got.
Yeah.
Plus, should we go over prices?
Sure, if
Yeah.
we remember them.
Yeah, some have the stickers on them. I think it's
Yeah.
good so you can see what the budget ones were, what the more expensive ones were.
Yeah.
For the variety.
I'll start off with this one that I got. Changes. By David Bowie. This one was in a $5 bin. So usually the bins that are like $5, $2, $1, they're not really organized. It's like you really got to dig through them.
Yeah.
So this one I think was a good find.
Definitely a treasure hunt.
Yes.
Put it back here by our player. Next.
Beatles 65. This one was also in a $2 bin. I actually got 3 from this one, so here you can hold that. And then I got a lot of Beatles from the same one. So then I got Beatles, England's #1 vocal group, and this one as well, another Beatles one. So I got these all from the same vendor, The Last Vestige, but those were all $2. So he, the owner there, he says normally those are just like overstock records that he has. So he has some really good stuff. And I find that the ones that he has are in really good condition. And the covers are really good too. So I like that one. Oh yeah, Four Seasons.
Nice.
That one I think was also $2.
This is $2. I remember paying for this. Yeah.
So
Cool. What we got next? Oh, this was one of my big finds.
yes.
The Blue Beetles. I'd been looking for this. I
blue
paid
one.
$20 for it. I was happy to do so.
Yep.
Good quality. And
We have
really
the red
stoked.
one.
Yeah.
So now we have 1967 to 1970.
And so typically what happens is Gab will buy the budget ones at these and I go for the more big ticket items.
Yeah. And sometimes they're willing to like change the price.
Yeah,
If
you
you
can have
ask, usually, it doesn't hurt to ask.
Yeah.
Sometimes they won't, but
Last one, my prize, $16, Pink Floyd, Animals. I went in looking for this one and I found it. Guy was very friendly and I am stoked to have this.
I was also looking for ABBA's Greatest Hits, but I couldn't find that one. I actually couldn't find any ABBA. Maybe I didn't look that hard. It was pretty like crowded.
Yeah,
So
we were a little late.
yeah, I know. I'm wondering if next time it might be worth it to pay the $10 beginning one, but I think we still have found some really cool stuff. So we'll give it a listen. And we'll put the information of the next one down below, and the next upcoming ones.
Yeah,
as
so
well
if
as-
you're anywhere in the Northeast, I mean New York, PA,
Connecticut,
New Jersey,
I think
Massachusetts has one.
Massachusetts.
These are going to be around and we have that schedule, so you can check these out if this is something you're into, or even if you're not, it's just a fun morning. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more ideas and tips on things to do in New York and the greater Northeast, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we will see you in the next video.
And if anyone finds an ABBA record, please send it to me.
I'm on my way.